Welcome back, everyone. This is Resourceful Marcus. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for watching. It's been a little bit since I've made a video. I apologize. It's been a little bit busy there. Some extra hours of work. And I'm going to get back to it here. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing in this video of a product that I just come into the mail here today. Got it. Just going to unbox it here. A quick unboxing video. This little product here. This is for my 30-gallon aquarium that I'm going to be getting back to that project there, the restoration of that 30-gallon aquarium. This is Hygar Flow Pro aquarium filter. So this is a hang-on back filter. This goes on, hangs on, and goes on the back of the aquarium. Let's unbox it here, have a look. Look-see at the parts. I'm not going to be setting it up today. I'm just having a look to make sure nothing's damaged. Okay, this is a one intake tube to give you a nice little bio foam. That goes with the intake tube so you don't suck small little fish in there. And it looks pretty compact. So pieces of foam I might keep. Use those for something in the future. Never know. Alright. So this is good up to a 40-gallon aquarium. Now, when I do get to setting this up, they're pretty simple to set up. Like I say, I'm not doing that today, but I will get around to that once I get that aquarium done. I'll get back on that now in the next few days here, hopefully. Just been busy with work there. Alright. Let's see a better look at this. Okay. Like that. And they got some tape on here holding the lid on. I just wanted to show you there's some little filter pad cartridges that you slide in here. Well, I'm going to modify this. I'm going to get around to that. I'm not doing that today, but when I actually set this up, this hangs on the back of the aquarium. There's a little thing there if you want to tilt it on an angle at the back. So it's a 30-gallon aquarium. This is rated up to 40 gallons. It'll be more than enough because when I modify it, when I do what I want to do with this, and I will get into that more. Just making sure there's no damage. Really compact. Should be pretty easy to prime it to get it going. If not, I'll take this control out here, the flow control, and then I'll keep pouring water and it'll push the air out of it to get it going. So this would go like this. This tube here extends on to this for a taller aquarium, which the aquarium, that 30-gallon, is pretty tall, as you can see, so that extends. I like that it has the biofoam end, so no little fishies will get sucked into the filter. Looks like a pretty nice little filter. Got it on Amazon. Not too bad of a price. Pretty easy to set up, as I say. Pretty easy peasy. Anyways, just wanted to do a short little video unboxing this. Okay, this will be under aquarium stuff. And obviously there'll be another video when I go to modify it, and that's what I'm going to do. I will modify it, and that will make it where it's going to intake, and it will filter a lot better than what it's actually rated for when I modify this. The way I'm going to set it up with the foam and stuff inside of it, you'll see anyways. So there it is there, give you a look at it. Hygar Flow Pro aquarium filter to hang on back. Says it's got a 2-year warranty. Half decent price. Had some good reviews. Anyways, thank you again everyone for coming back and watching my videos. I appreciate it very much. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate it. It helps me very much. Thank you again for watching my channel. Hope everybody's staying cool on this warm, sweltering day. Alright, this is Resourceful Marcus signing off for now. I'll see you again in the next one. See you soon.